Alright YouTube, here it is, day 5, running car. So front suspension's done, rear suspension's done, changed the gas tank, finished the interior, so it's all back together. There's a couple things I haven't snapped in place yet just because I want to make sure. Of course, I still got a Christmas tree on the dashboard, yep, all that's all done. I was going to try the other gas tank, but the pump was completely locked up, so I ended up swapping the gas tank in anyways. I did get a radiator today. The one I ordered, they actually sent me a V6 radiator, which is only an inch thick, and the V8 one is like, I see it as an inch and 3/4. They call it an inch and 9/16. I did straighten out the condenser, so lo and behold, the V6 condenser and the V8 condenser look the same, but they're not the same. They don't bolt on the same. So I ended up just kind of straightening that one out. The damage that was kind of residual is on where the oil cooler would be for a transmission, which this doesn't have an automatic transmission anyways, so it doesn't have the cooler. But anyways, short video today, day 5, running car. I'm just waiting for the drive shaft to come. I ordered a one-piece drive shaft, and then I'm still figuring out what I'm going to do with the exhaust. But yep, there it is. Thanks for coming by. I appreciate everybody stopping and watching, and hopefully you're getting something out of this. Thanks, bye.